Jai Srimanarayana. 46th sloka of 6th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Tapasvibhyaha adhiko yogi jnanibhyopi matodhikaha karmibhyascha adhiko yogi tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Om. Sri Krishna Paramatma encouraging you to think about yourself, not the body. Thinking about yourself is Atma Dhyanam, because Atma Dhyanam is considered to be the superior to those who does tapasya, superior to those who are intellectuals. Atma Dhyanam is even superior to those who does just rituals. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending every one of us to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone. Mamekam saranam vraja." Now let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, "O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall realize that Atma Dhyanam, thinking about myself, is superior to those who does tapasya, to those who are intellectuals, even superior to those who are just ritualists. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall start Atma Dhyanam with immediate effect. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. Krishna, Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishna arpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigama kalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 6th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, "O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Daksha Prajapati's daughters also gave birth to so many children. In that process, Marutvati gave birth to Marutanva Jayanta. Jayanto Vasudevamsa Upendra Itiyam Viduhu. That Jayanta is having spark of Vasudeva. That is why he is famous. He became popular like Upendra. And other Daksha Prajapati's daughter Muhurta, she gave birth to Mahurtikas. They are all devatas. They are the one who gives fruits of actions to all the souls based on the different timings. And then other daughter Sankalpa gave birth to Sankalpudu. And because of that Sankalpa, their kamam, the lust, came out. Vasu gave birth to Ashtavasus: Drona, Prana, Dhruva, Arka, Agni, Dosha, Vastu, Vibhavasu. They are all Ashtavasus. Drona's wife is Abhimati. They gave birth to Harsha, Soka, Bhaya. And Prana's wife is Vurjaspati. They gave birth to Saha, Ayu, Purojava. Dhruva's wife is Dharani. Because of them, so many towns came out. Arka's wife is Vasava. Because of them, there are so many children whose named after Tarsha. Agni's wife is Dhara. They gave birth to, there are so many children, they are all named after Dravina. And Agni's other wife is Krutika. They gave birth to Skanda, who is also known as Kartikeya. And Kartikeya gave birth to so many children who are named after Visakha. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra explaining about the children and lineage of Daksha Prajapati. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 6th chapter, 46th sloka. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi. Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha. Karmibhyaschadhiko yogi. Tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Tapasvibhyodhiko yogi. Jnanibhyopi matodhikaha. Karmibhyaschadhiko yogi. Tasmat yogi bhavarjuna. Srimannarayana karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.